Yeah. Gaza. Hey. Yeah, people. Yo. I tell you, blessing and honor, glory and power. Then, because Gaza have the victory, so Gaza have the power. So may I say, you see at what you're seeing in the video here, the display on your screen is victory and power. Vybz Kartel is at the Sangster International Airport, right? And that's in Montego Bay, right? One of the most frequent, the most used, like, frequent airport that tourists would normally use. You know what I mean? Like, we have our big airport here in Kingston, the Norman Manley Airport, you know? But because Montego Bay is so huge and it's like known as the second city, you know what I'm saying? Separate and apart from Kingston City, you know what I'm saying? And New York City. Yeah, Ding Dong can tell you, man. You see me? Yeah, so see Vybz Kartel here with tons and stock of liquor. I think that this is why Andrew Holness them want ban the liquor all of a sudden, you know. Ban boom and rum and all them thing there, because them know say the Gaza rum. Oh, all of a sudden them want put restriction on rum and all them have, and now I see them put restriction on cigarette too. Yes, what I say? And them promote the society to have more babies and all of them thing there. Reproduction and all type of thing when times are hard. And them look for bring criminal come here. Eh? I guess them want to substitute the babies for the criminals from America and overseas instead of us multiplying. I guess the population here in Jamaica is just too small. So they're like, okay, let's take the unwanted from America and all of the outcasts from all walks of the earth and bring them here in Jamaica to fill all gap that has been decreased or declined, you know, in our population here in Jamaica. So it look like a that a go on, because, you know. So anyway, let's celebrate the fact that Vybz Kartel have big business a go on. You see what I say? Yeah, tall belt. You see me? When them a buy liquor, we a buy apartment. I sell. While them a buy liquor, Kartel a sell it. You get what I say? Them only can mumel it, smell it. You see what I say? They can tell it. Mad, Vybz Kartel, bad, a god. You see what I say? Yeah, man, that is it. That is it. And Gaza uncle a walk through Mobile Airport. You don't know, say Gaza uncle no top travel, no top fly from Jersey to Connecticut, from New York, black to, you know, Miami. Yeah, him just a move through. Dog, live on the jet fuel. You get me say? So Gaza uncle now capture a moment in the Sangster International Airport in Milana Mobile car. Kartel there, you know, so you don't know Gaza uncle for there for represent. You see me? And or maybe Gaza uncle goodly a lift up. You see me? Because maybe him did there all along with the world boss. You see me I say? And him have to lift up here now. But mad shout out, bad respect. Big respect to Gaza uncle. You see me? Big respect to the world boss. Big respect to Dancehall. And we need to have a Dancehall day, a holiday for Dancehall, known as Dancehall Day. You get me I say? Every Friday and Saturday night, even Saturday night, it's like Dancehall night. All Saturday for be respected and for be acknowledged as a night for Dancehall celebration. Right through, no noise abatement act. Give dancehall what it due. A dancehall make enough big house there. A dancehall feed enough hungry belly. A dancehall do whole heap of this and whole heap of that, boy. Yeah. So give the day to dancehall. You get me I say? Yeah, man. Vybz Kartel is dancehall. So from you say dancehall, you say Kartel. You see me? So see how Gaza uncle caption the post saying, him caption it saying, get your straight vibes. in Jamaica at Sangsters International Airport. You see me I say? In Jamaica. Yes. Made by Jamaica. Built by Jamaica and for Jamaica. See me I say? Yeah. Hustlers big business. Some little boy for mind them own a business. Millions of we not have we not have to do what for the fitness. Member Kartel tell you, no man. You see me? Yo, come on, what's wrong with this shit? What is this? What is this? Gaza uncle. What is this? Alright, see there now. Finally. The phone I move slow up, you know. I forgot to get a new phone. So we're gonna let it play, let it rip. And guess what? I forgot highlight Curacao. Big up to Curacao, the Caribbean island. People are saying a lot about Curacao because of the match that they had played. So we're gonna go into that after that video here with Vybz Kartel, Gaza Uncle, Gazanation, the first nation, Gazanation our occupation. Gazanation is a revelation. Gazanation our occupation. So may I say Gazanation are the first nation. Yeah, and Gazanation, nation of every nation. Remember that, you know. Zin, Gazanation are the revelation. Gazanation of every nation. Gazanation our occupation. And Gazanation of every nation. Gazanation our occupation. Gazanation are the revelation. Gazanation are the first nation. Yes, Gaza can't out with water, called Sparta with lava. I could go into this.
Victory from poverty to victory.
Yeah, so you don't know, we have to stop it because the song, we don't want to get a strike. Because them type of video you will like. See there? Kartel have him liquor all about. People, behold your eyes. And me I tell you, wait till the summer. Wait till the summer. Them tourists like us say, I gotta try this. Alright, you see this? This will make Vybz Kartel even more popular. More famous. You see me I say? This will make the bad mind them want to get rid of Kartel even more too. You see me I say? No joke. Just like how the 12 disciples had died. Well, 11 of them had died horrible death. Just because they had stepped with Christ himself. You see me? Like Christ Kartel. You see me? So, make we let this rip and then we show you Curacao. What them are going with and what people are say about them. Because them cause one bag of thing in America, the World Cup. You see me? They had fought against Ecuador. Big side, Ecuador. You see me I say? And Ecuador nigga them thick and strong and a maestro bull them. You know that from a long time. Zin? Ecuador and El Salvador. Yeah. And Curacao. Right? So me come make this play.
Victory from poverty to victory.
And my dog, them with me, family, kids with me. You see that? Red label wine there. Vybz Kartel, Fever, Electric. The whole of them there. See there? Even the one where him give MASKITA a sample. Vybz Kartel give MASKITA a sample of one of them too. You see me? Yeah, man. Watch this. See the ramping shop there? I'm going to show you. The place is surrounded with Gaza product. You see me? Alright, so red label wine. We need back them here from the shelf them. The airport buy them out. And it look like say the red label them now make much again. Them only make for the tourists because it becomes something classic now. You know, and it's a good wine, you know, good tonic wine for drinking a red label wine. Yeah man, boots you up. You see it? Alright, so here we have the electric. Then this is the electric, the blue one, electric. Right? Shocking. This is the fever. This is the fever on this side. And this is the ramping shop over here. That is the more expensive one. I would believe. You know, it's on that side of the shelf. The ramping shop. That's the nicest one too. Because it's got that Campari. Better than Campari. It's got that bittersweetness that you would adore. You know what I mean? That turns you on. It make your cocky turn up. It send you straight into that mode. You know what I'm saying? And it's not for a grapist like Foota hype. You see me? No. Him need to stick to him medication when doctor prescribe. You know what I mean? Him can't go around and drink alcohol like Kartel. And the whole of them laugh off a Kartel sickness, you know. And you see it, Kartel can party hard like Fambo coming out of him illness. You see me? Yeah, because Fambo make it out time deathbed where him and the Grim Reaper when a reason. And Fambo just walk away from the Grim Reaper, go straight into the party, out of the hospital, to the dance hall. Dance all night, all day. And rave all night, all day, anywhere. You see what I say? Any weather. You see me? So big up future Fambo, because him pattern the God and make them know, say, no man no bigger than God. You see what I say? Yeah. And in God's song, I run the cut. You see me? No joke. So I could get to that is. Yeah.
Them with me, my family, them with me. Some money go and find big business. Some people it's mind them on a business. Million no come and half a million of the fitness.
Now when me turn Wrigley's, I remember, I don't know what it is. That song is tough. Yo, the album are the sickest thing. You can't trick nobody. The album are the sickest thing. God and time. You see me? Make me remind ya. Big business. Some boy like MASKITA need for mind him own a business. Millions to make. We don't have to play ball for the fitness. That means they have to lift up money, dog.
When me turn Wrigley's, I say with me jewelry, and chain is a fridges, holding damages, but I got me choose me tickets. Use it when me fuck the
love, me not hard to me love you with my kidneys. If you cheat, then a wickedness. Teacher, beat them teacher. Tall belt them a buy liquor, we a buy apartment. Bag a house all about where you call. So we are on a torment. Beat them teacher. Tall belt them a buy liquor, we a buy apartment. Bag a house all about where you call. Well, and them a be life on a torment. You should have lynch, your daddy should have pinch. Roll a leave. You Grinch. Then you see me, you see. Mad, you know. You see, I want to do the man skilly bang. Bad, you know. So try again. Try again. Try again. You see me sick, yeah. Kartel verse. Kartel take the whole of the song them. All of the collab them with him do. Him destroy everybody upon the collab them. Him this. Me give him and Movado a tie. Because Movado had a nice melody to it, as well as some chopping verse Movado go on with. And Kartel do the same. Kartel give you what Movado couldn't give up on the rhythm. You see me? And Movado could have do what Kartel do too, and Kartel could have do what Movado do. So I give them 50-50. Because they both brought melody, nice sounding hooks and verse where chop. And where nice on the track, where the track require. So I say, but you see through Skillibeng only do verse, Kartel do verse and chorus. Skillibeng not really giving a nice catchy hook, but Skillibeng verse mad. So with Skillibeng and Teacher out of 100, would say Kartel give the give a collab there 65% of the greatness, and Skillibeng did like the 35% rest for make it up 100%. You see me? The one with him and Spice now. Mudafi Bamba Mudafi say 50-50. Or Mudagi. Yeah, 50-50. Spice go mad pan it. Spice go crazy, insane. Me can't go around Spice pan that one, yeah. Spice bang a song with Kartel. You see me? And Kartel say, who that? You see me? Kartel say, Spice, oh, you're so nice. When your burst and your fire ignite. And then Spice got tell Kartel on the song about how Kartel next girl no like her. And Spice say your next girl was big and soddy. So here Kartel, who that? And then Spice no answer. Hear the Spice no should deter from the blood not question. Hear no about some like it or some it's like bad, me not lie, 50-50. Bad song, the whole I sang them, man. The other collab them, a teacher run them, mother say. You see me? Now with the Wizkid and the Faruqa, yeah, they brought nice melodies, you know, and nice things. But you see through me a Jamaican, me I forget Kartel the most of the ratings in those collab, cause if I know Kartel, I don't really understand nothing else. But they brought nice melody and flavor and hook. Wizkid and Faruko, shout out to them. Their vocal is clean as a bird. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. That chirps. Yeah. Mad. So I'm very grateful that they're on the track. No disrespect. But you don't know. Zimazze.
Still to be happy about. You're up too old. Job's not finished. Job finished? No, I don't think so.
Look at that. Liquor is being served at the airport. The Sangsters International Airport in Montego Bay. Look at that and say yay. Hey, uno MASKITA fans, uno no shame. No shame. Where Queenie there? Oh, me can't find Queenie, you know. She left on the ground somewhere. I dance up herself and now move. I don't know what that dance name. You know, I can't go show on still. But uno no shame. Look at this. Fever, Bumbleclad, Electric. And there's the next one. Okay. I did miss one of them. The Electric, the Fever, the Ramping Shop. And the what the next one name? Bumbleclad. There's a fourth one. I'm not remember it. Fever, Electric, Ramping Shop. Fourth one name. So straight Vybz Rum. The straight Vybz Rum. I'm gonna go see one more left.
Out in the six, I'm a national treasure. The niggas that bat me gon' bat me forever. R.P. Kobe, but y'all niggas brokey. That's probably why y'all be shacking together. Capo
I don't want to get that strike forever. That's some big Draco for the Icebox, the Iceman. Yeah, shout out to Popcorn. Him a go on with some things. You see me? Yeah, but I forgot to do a vlog for the Cura so people them. The Cura cans. So how do you call them? The Cura codes. Yeah, that sounds just perfect for the Curacao, the people of Curacao. We should call them Cura Code. That mad, you know a code? You know a code? No boat ride. You see me? One thing. Yo, what is under my nose?
habits together like couples vacation. They packing together like rushing to finish to slap it together. Victory. From Babaji to victory.
That is it. Under my nose. I'm out.